I've got a question for you guys. If a certain bodily function were made to be contagious, akin to yawning, what do you think would be the most annoying function to have to deal with? Personally, I would say hiccuping. Whenever I hiccup, it's incredibly painful, both because it's oftentimes unexpected, but also because my body does this violent shudder and it feels like I'm getting punched in the throat or something. It's hard to describe, but I imagine people who get pretty bad hiccups will understand what I'm saying. I can't really think of anything that would be much worse to have to experience were it contagious, but what do you guys think? What's one sort of common bodily function that you think would be worse than hiccuping were it contagious? Tell me in the comments down below.